Hello guys, I am Shahzad. Today's we are going to download the Bootstrap 4th version, and we also going to explain that how can you embed the Bootstrap files in your projects. So basically, we have three ways to download the Bootstrap file or to embed the Bootstrap. Oh, sorry, I was saying that five. We are working on the fourth version. So that's why. Okay, so three ways to download the Bootstrap 4. One, by using the download button, by clicking the download button by using this word button. You can see they are providing the compiled CSS and JS file, and they are explaining why you need to use the compiled file. The second one is the CSS. CDN is the content delivery network, and why we are using and why we have to use. We'll discuss about later. But for now, you can use the second part to embed the bootstrap four in your project. The third one is by using the manager. And if you're working on the Ruby here, again, just use this code. We are working on Composer. So that's why this is the third variant or this is the third way to download the book. Okay, we start from the first. As, as you can see, sorry, as you can see, this is the compiled file. Just click on this one. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is the bootstrap. Now I'm going to add the files here, htdocs, and this is htdocs. I'm saying bootstrap 4, bootstrap 4. So bootstrap 4. I'm going to, okay, fine. I'm saying this is the bootstrap 1. Fine. Now I'm saying this is the PHP storm. Since we are using the PHP storm as an IDE for this series, if we are working on any kind of IDE like Rocket Plus, like Sublime or something, but the process is the same to embed the bootstrap files. So since PHP Storm is a heavy tool as compared to Lime, now to convert it, so it takes time to open properly. But now, since this is the bootstrap, I'm saying I'm going to open this one. Okay, fine. I'm going to open. Where's the B section? I'm saying bootstrap. Oh, open. I'm saying this window. Fine. So as you can see, this is a Bootstrap folder, and we have key our Bootstrap framework in the Bootstrap code, which we have just created. I'm going to create the index file here, index HTML file. I'm saying index. Fine. I'm saying this is the Bootstrap code. Now, saying on welcome to Bootstrap code. I'm going to open this one in the Chrome. As you can see, it's working fine. So this is a very basic. You can also open your file by going to the Bootstrap by clicking this one, or you can also open from your ID. So both are the same. Okay, so as you can see, it's working fine. So now it's time to embed the files. As you can see, we have downloaded the file thing. Now I'm saying I'm going to add link type text CSS href. And now I'm saying type. We have already mentioned that. I'm saying go to the bootstrap, go to the CSS, and find the bootstrap .css files or bootstrap.css files. Four other settings. Now I'm saying script since we always embed the JS files in the folder. So that's fine. I'm saying type equals to text. Sorry, not type. Type. text type JavaScript, FRC. We are saying go to the Bootstrap JS folder and find the bootstrap.js file. Fine. So now go to the page, refresh the page, right click, inspect element to verify that you have successfully embedded or not. Console, as you can see, it's saying Bootstrap JavaScript required the jQuery file. So if you want to add the JavaScript, sorry, bootstrap.js file, you have to add the jQuery file to the top of this one. So if you want to download or embed the jQuery files, you have to wait. You can download the physical file or you can download, embed the jQuery files by using the CD. I'm saying jQuery. You can also, as you can see, this is the code.jQuery.com. So this is the official website. You can also download the version. Now I'm saying I'm going to embed the uncomplete version or minify version. I'm saying I'm going to embed the minify. So copy, paste, now go to the page, refresh the page, right click, inspect element, console, as you can see it's now working fine. If you give the wrong files for the JS, let's go this one and also it will give you the error. So go to the page, refresh the page, as you can see they are saying 404 not found. Since these files are not active, so that's why it was saying. Now fine, go to the page, refresh the page, everything is fine. So how can you verify that it's working or not? Go to the console, verify. Okay, now you can also verify by using some classes, bootstrap classes. I'm saying classes, button. So this is a prime B. I'm saying I am button. So go to the page, refresh the page, and you can see it's saying I am button. So the class button is the prime B. Okay, you have to use the real style. So that's why it was not working. So as you can see now the button is working fine. As you can see you have not done anything your custom styling. So bootstrap button is working fine. If you have not used this one, so now go to the page, refresh the page. Now you can see the styling is not working. So this is the first way to embed the bootstrap framework. The second way is using the JS. Now so these are the physical files you have downloaded, one and two. I'm going to comment these files. So comment. I'm going to comment these files. So go to the page, refresh the page. Fine. Now I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste this one here. So these are the two files, bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.bundle.min.css. And we also have the three files. So this is the J3 file, top of proper file and also the bootstrap document or so. Copy, paste, now go to the page, press the page, working fine, right click, inspect element if you want to verify that it's working or not. So bootstrap JavaScript required jQuery must be included before bootstrap. So where is the jQuery? Okay, fine. So this is the jQuery. It's fine. I'm not talking about it. So I'm going to copy this one and paste this one. Take this here. Now I'm saying, okay, with the page, refresh the page, usually, okay, if I uncomment this one, okay, fine. Copy, paste, now that bootstraps JavaScript requires jQuery must be included before bootstrap. Yes, it's fine. It's a jQuery file. Okay, I don't know why it's working because it's saying that you have to add the jQuery file before bootstrap. So this is the GPD file we have added, and this is the Bootstrap file we have added. This one. I don't know why it's giving you the error. But leave this one. You can also verify that it's working or not by using these classes. So if these classes are working, that means we have to embed the CSS file. Since we are not working the JS files for now, we will discuss that why it's giving you the error. So this is the second way to add the bootstrap. The third way is the composer. So find the CDN and type the composer. So guys, I have told you that composer is a dependency. You can download the dependencies by using the composer. So you can see I have already downloaded and installed the composer in my machines. So I'm using the Windows 10 as you can see. Now as you can see the version is 1.10.1 and this is the release date of the version. So go to the composer website. So this is the composer. Click on the composer. As you can see, this is the composer. Just click on the download to download the composer. Click on the composer setup. Add this file. As you can see, you have just downloaded. What you need, just need to install this one by using the next step. Okay. Once you install this one, just type the composer as we have did. So this one composer. If you will show if your system shows this one, that means the composer is working fine. Once we use the composer, then just go to the official website, copy the code, this is the composer code. Now go to your desired directory. I'm saying cd docs and cd and docs. I'm saying cd bootstrap code and this is the file. Now I'm going to install here. So right click, hit the enter button. So composer is going to download your files from the source. So it's giving you the warning because I'm using the lower version of the composer like 1.x. The current version is the 2.x. So as you can see 2.0.12 version. That's why it's giving you the warning. So it's just a warning. Just ignore this. So wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see the system is downloading the 4.6.0 version out of the box for you by using the composer. So okay, fine, download it. So here, as you can see, you have a vendor folder, and in the vendor, you have the composer. In the composer, you have these files. In the vendor, you have PWS and your registered files available here. So this is the third way to download your Bootstrap file. Now, if you want to add the Bootstrap file here, what you need, you just need to go to the. I'm going to the one. I'm going to remove the CDN. Now I'm saying go to the vendor and now find the PWS, find the Bootstrap, now find the CSS and find the Bootstrap, this file as CSS. So I have all the files available here. I think here, these files available here, index file. We have downloaded which file. Okay, fine. I'm going to find this file that there is CSS file. So we can embed CSS file here out of the box. So there's okay. These are the CSS files. In the disk, we also have the CSS files. So now I'm saying bootstrap CSS. Now find the bootstrap of CSS file and Similarly, we have the UTC union, and here now we are saying both the vendor, GWS, Bootstrap, this, and I'm saying yes, and now I'm saying find the bootstrap.js file. So once again, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's working fine. Right click, spec element, source, it's working fine. So these are the three ways to embed the bootstrap code versions for your projects. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, please share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.